Welcome back, guys. This time around, we want to talk about managing your Facebook page. I have to go back to the home page, of course. I have to go back to the home page of the Bilatech Academy, so you can easily just come like this, and we have 0 likes, 0 followers. All I have to do is come to manage. There are a few things I want to do in this manage. There are a few things I want to do, and it says grow your audience. It remains the last step. We've not done that. We've established the page identity. We've completed the info, and one step left, introduce your page. What would this be about? Let's see what it's going to be. Oh, that would be invite friends. We are going to do that as well. But the first thing I want to do is I want to show you something that would help you. This page access. Come to your professional dashboard and you see page access. I want to give a page access to my other Facebook account. Like I said, I have a Facebook account already. I just use this to create content for the course. So people with Facebook access, I'm going to add new. I'm going to nest that, and I'm going to say we should have access to this page. I'm going to look for my name, beloved. It will not bring it out because we are not friends yet on this page. Oh, it's brought it out. So I'm going to add beloved, and I'm going to say allow this person to have full control. I'm going to give access, and for security reasons, you enter your password, and that will be my password. Let's confirm that I've given my page, my other page, a page access already. So it says invitation expires in 31 days. I'll go back to my Facebook page and check that, and the message came in. So this is it. I'm going to click on that, and I'm going to accept that. I'm going to accept that right now, and that will be next. Accept. This is my other page. I'm trying to accept the invitation, and I'll be able to use the page from here. So I'm going to switch now right away, and I'll be using this page from here henceforth. Okay, so we have welcome to your new page, use page, and this. So I'm going to use the page. So I have this right now. Page is right here. So here is the page access. As you can see, people with Facebook access, this page is having access to this. And come to manage, let's see other things we could talk about. So we've talked about giving access. You can give access to other people. Now I will invite friends to follow the page. To invite friends, I have to go back to my main page. So I'm going to do that, continue. Then it goes back to my main page where I'm going to try to invite these my friends. I have 20792 friends here. I'll say select 1000 out of that to send invites, and I'm going to continue. Invites will be sent to the first 1000 people that I just invited. So you're not acting as Bilatech. So that's how to invite people to your page, of course, and that's one of the things you do as a manager. So I'm going to come back to manage to check other things we could do. And right now, this is a professional dashboard. We have the home, talks about the home of the page where you get to see your page overview. You get to see the page reach in the last 28 days. You get to see the post engagement. You get to see the new page likes, new followers. You get to see all those. Then we're going to see other things come to your page, and you see other related interactions, reactions, comments, share, link clicks, photo views. These are analytics. These are insights about your page. Come to content, and you see the content you have so far. These are the contents I have so far. I created a cover photo, I created a profile picture, and I created my first post right here. Having 0 engagement because it's a new page. Then you can boost your post for me. You can create an ad from this post. So this is just a professional dashboard for you to manage your page. And you come to audience. When you have at least 100 followers, you'll be able to see more info about your audience. So that's something you should take note of. Then you can grow your audience with the ad center we invited. That's for free, of course. That's a free promotion. Then there is this ad center where you can boost your page. You can say you want to advertise your page, recommendation. These are places you see stuff about your page. Actually, to grow your page using paid ads, all you have to do is to say you want to advertise this page, and choosing a goal, all you have to do is just to say you want to boost content or automated ads. So you can choose whatever you want to do right now. You can choose that. We are not talking about ads right now. We'll talk about that later. So let me go back to our page. So you can invite followers. We've done that. Then you see your earn achievements for creating reels, inspiration hub. Yeah, these are songs for you. You don't need that for now. Events. These are events like that has been created through this page. We don't have any right now, so we can always go back. Then you have page access. Okay, I've talked about page access. A or B test. This page access has different rules. If you don't want to give people full access to your page, you can do that as well. You can just click on this button and remove access. Then you can manage access by clicking into it. Then you see content and the person has full control. You can, including the ability to give access, remove anyone from the page, including you, or delete the page. Also, this is a full ownership access. Then we have the add people with tax access. These people with Facebook access is for the owners, people with tax access. If you want to hire a Facebook manager, you can do that by giving access. You don't have to give your details. All you have to do is just to look for the person and give access to the person. It's a very simple process. All you have to do is to let me see a name I could look for. Okay, this, let me use this. Then the access would say something about what access you want to give to this person. You can give the access to create content for this person and more as the page. You can give access to message. You can give access to this, create and manage delete ads. So you can give full access and you can restrict the access. That's something about this. You can just give access to people, and that's something about page access. Then when we come back here, when we come back to this, let's go back to that. Let's go back to the page access and see what more we have. So we have page access, we have A or B test. We'll talk about this. Then you have linked accounts. Let's see the link account. This will talk about you linking your WhatsApp, connected to WhatsApp but not connected to Instagram. So you can do that. If you have an Instagram page, connect this page to your Instagram page. And we have more of those. Let's see page recommendation, which is very important. You have to request for recommendation from people, and page recommendation, more about your page, and you see things about recommendation. Manage page status. The page has no issues, no violations to show, no restriction, and page is recommendable. That is all you need for now. And we've talked about managing your page. It's as simple as that. Managing your page is as simple as that. Just check through and see what you'll be needing as a Facebook manager. But these are the basic things you need. I hope to see you in the next lesson where we'll get to talk more about this page. I'll see you there.